Hi, my name is Vera, and I will be singing Hello by Beyonce. I know I may not sound completely like her, but I realize the song that I'm going to try out, so bear with me. It's a cappella, so please bear with me. Remember those walls again, baby, they're tumbling down. Didn't even put up a fight, didn't even make a sound. I know where to let you in, but I never really had a time. Standing in the light of your halo, got my angel now. It's like I've been awakened. Every rule I had to breaking. It's the risk that I'm taking. I ain't never gonna shut you out. Everywhere I'm looking down, I'm surrounded by your embrace. Baby, I can see your halo. You know you're that saving grace. Everything I need and more is written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your halo. They won't fade away.